By the end of today's episode, your application will be able to do the following. Receive the post request, save the expense into the database, and parse before it to parse it by AI assistant. As you see, the parsing works correctly, and the assistant we use is Gemini. So let's start from the expense entity. The new package, I will call it processor for now, and let's define the columns. None of them should be nullable. So we have it. We need the service, which will be responsible for now, just for saving the expense, well, and for requesting the AI to parse it. To save the expense itself, we will need the repository, which we just create by extending the JPA repository, and to parse the payload itself, we will use the expense AI assistant. The prompt, I had it already. You can just copy it from the screen, or I'll provide it. Yeah. So the dependencies. We need the dependency in order. We will use the library in order to not dig into the things that you see now on the screen. Basically, the Gemini API docs. I never enjoyed the Google documentation, so the library, the dependency, dev LangChain4j is doing really great. We just dedicated to Maven. We get the correct versions, and let's continue with creating our code. So the ParsedExpense is the the object that I would wait from the expense AI assistant. So basically the request is done in the way that Google model or any other model basically immediately knows about the object which we want to receive. The format, yes. So it will be inserting the necessary fields into the object, into the JSON object, and sending it back to us, and the Spring and this Lang4j library will do its work. So as you see, the annotation is, there are two annotations. One is system message, where you put the prompt, which is static, so it's traveling with every request, and other one is user message, and as you can see, you need to do this double brackets and it inside of them. I'm not sure why it is like that, but that's how it works. Now let's create the configuration. It's pretty simple. We will need just two beans. One is chat model. We are using Gemini, and other one is the expense AI assistant, which is ours, but we do it through AI services builder. As you can see, we request the specific class, we pass the correct model inside it, and that's all. Now I would like to create the environment variables and to put them inside the application.yml, so we don't need to expose our sensitive information. As you can see, I have my .env file, but I am not going to show it. and you just need to remove .example from this .env.example file name and define there the variables which you see in the .env.example. And now, as our AI assistant is already present in the context, we can parse the payload using it. So we expect the payload as a string, the simplest way to do it, and we parse it. And yeah, so we basically pass this string to ExpenseService, which is the payload of our saved entity. And here, after parsing it, we need to transform it into the expense entity class so we can save it into the database. So I'll create the simple constructor now, and that should be it. Now let's add some logging using the Lombok libraries, and let's run the application. As you can see, the tests are running good now, though it takes some time. It definitely takes some time, but it's all right. The coding takes some time as well. Now let's start the application and let's open the terminal and use the command with the request JSON. So let's run this curl command, and yeah, we got the response. And 202, which is what we were targeting for. And yeah, so you can see that there was some delay, exactly 7 seconds, which is not ideal. You see, it was received by second 52 and was responded by second 59. So 7-second delay is not what HTTP code 202 is about. But we connected the Gemini 3.6 Flash into our application now, and this is also okay. You can see, yeah, this is the model version, the response ID. So this object has some fields, the tokens that were used, and all the time spent for the request, 7 seconds, bit too much. So in the next episode we will be solving this, so we can do it faster as well. If we can do it faster, why not doing it faster, right? So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next episode, where we will be introducing the exact inbox pattern. We will be basically improving what we have now, and we will be incorporating the inbox pattern, and we will be making the processing faster, if it is possible. Thank you for watching.